The workspace is a collection of project files, folders containing source code, and settings, configuration files. It keeps source code, dependencies, and configurations in one place. In Visual Studio Code, each workspace can have its own settings stored in Settings file. Build and debug settings are managed using tasks and launch files. Git and other version control systems can also be used within a workspace. The .vs Code folder stores workspace-specific settings, extensions, and debugging configurations. The .code workspace is a configuration file that defines a multi-root workspace. It allows you to manage multiple project folders in a single VS Code window while storing workspace-specific settings.